In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up product GTINs on GS1 for Google Merchant Center next. This is an essential process if you're looking to ensure that your branded products are well optimized and compliant with Google's requirements. First up, let's start with the registration process. To acquire official GTINs, which you might also know as UPCs or EANs, you'll need to go through GS1, the only legitimate provider. So, step 1 is to register with them. To do that, you'll want to open up your preferred search engine and type in GS1 followed by your country. This will direct you to the appropriate local GS1 website where you can sign up and obtain your GTINs. Once you're registered with GS1 and have your GTINs in hand, the next step is to incorporate these into your Google Merchant Center account. You'll first need to go to www.google.com/retail on your browser. Once you're there, click on Sign In and select Sign In to Merchant Center. It's important to note that Google has recently mandated the inclusion of valid GTNs for most branded products, so this step is absolutely crucial in ensuring that your products are being recognized properly. As you navigate your Merchant Center dashboard, direct your attention to the Products section. Once you're there, go ahead and click on All Products. What you'll want to do next is select the product you wish to edit and click on Edit the Attributes. This takes you to a page where you can manage your product's key identifiers. Now, under the Product Identifiers section, you're going to enter your newly acquired GTINs. You'll do this by pasting the GS1 generated code into the GTN field. Make sure you double check that the GTN you enter matches what's provided by GS1 to avoid any discrepancies. In the same section, you'll need to enter the brand name as well. It's crucial that this matches the brand associated with your GTIN, as any mismatch could lead to issues with product recognition on Google's platform. If you have an MPN or manufacturer part number and it's available, you can enter it here as well, although this part is optional. Finally, after making sure everything is filled out correctly, you're going to hit the Save button. And that's it! You've successfully set up GTNs for your product in the Google Merchant Center. Following these steps attentively will help ensure your products are appropriately catalogued, ultimately boosting their visibility and hopefully your sales. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep these details in mind for your future endeavors in e-commerce.